let's look at the te a ta, t and a, te a ta. Okay. In Mongolian language, it means you, a respected form of you. Okay. Tana. At the beginning, ta looks like this way. Te a ta. Okay. And ne a na. This is ne. And a, ne a na, tana. It's Dongzhu. It's eastern pearl. East. Okay. And the zhu. Pearls. It's the pearls produced in the northeast part of China. Okay. So next one, ta ta mu bi. Okay. It's a ta in the middle. So you will also say ta in the beginning and also ta in the middle. So just like put it down. Okay. So it's basically the same thing. Okay. Almost the same. Yeah. But this is a ta in the beginning. This is a ta in the middle. Ta ta mu bi. Let's see. Mu bi is the original form of a verb. Ta ta mu bi. Okay. So it's like to draw something, to push. Okay, next one, ta in the end. This is a xi ha. If you put an n here, a xi han means young people in a singular form. Okay, you put a ta here, it's the plural form of young people. Okay, let's look at the da. Just remember very carefully. You repeat the te a ta. You put a dot. Okay, this the secret of Manchu language spelling. Okay, it's codified. You just have to remember this is a ta, this is a da. All right. Da mu bi. To manage, you see the da. Okay, da by itself, da like this is the leader. Okay, 头目. Okay, 头领. The origin, okay, the root, is a very kind of a significant word. Okay, so damu bi is to lead, to manage. Damu bi, all right, and then this word has a lot to do with leadership. Okay, for example, like kadamu kada lambi. Okay, ka and the da. Don't forget the dot, otherwise it's ta. Okay, kada, lamu bi, kada lambi is to lead the military forces. Okay, in Chinese it's called 管带. Okay, 管 and 带, 管理代理, to manage and to lead. And in the end, let's see, in the end, you see this is okay, and gu, agu, and da, this is just to connect it, to connect this gu and da. This is da in the end, agu da. It's a name, agu da. In Chinese, it goes this way, agu da. It's a very famous leader who founded the Jin dynasty. Okay.